So, I mean, we're just grinding high on the S&P today. We saw some massive rotation I definitely want to talk about. So we've been seeing, the tech names, the software names, all these names absolutely kill it. And then today we're seeing, a little bit of rotation out of those names. We look, Apple's down. Healthcare has been killing the market. All these medical devices, they've all been killing the market. They're down. So we're not seeing those names pop as much. And then we look where the strength is. And the strength is in, energy. We're seeing oil and gas. We're seeing financials. So we're seeing leadership go to all these new names. Whether that means the market's ready for another move higher after rotation into these names, or it's a warning sign about leaders, becoming a little bit weaker. We're ready for a little pullback. We are at the top of this channel. It's anybody's best guess right now. To me, the market looks a bit sluggish. I've been raising a little bit of cash. Just based off feel more than anything else. It seems like bullishness is at all-time highs. Citigroup put out a note today saying the only bear case right now is that nobody is bearish, which is it's just insane. That just makes me a little nervous. I don't know. What are your thoughts on this, Ben?
Well, that's like when the saying it's like the comment saying when everyone's fearful, be greedy. When everyone's greedy, be fearful. This kind of seems like a similar note out of Citigroup.
There you go.
But kind of going off what you said with healthcare and financial things like that. You mentioned like the VGT. They're up 20% off that prior all-time high. The prior all-time high was around 340. We broke out of that, and tech has been on this monstrous run lately, up 20% off that all-time high. But then when you pull up, say, the financials, they just finally pushed through that high, that pre-pandemic high of around 78. So the financials in a lot of these sectors you've been mentioning have been lagging on this run up, where the healthcare and the tech names have had this this amazing run recently, where, like you said, now we're starting to see some rotation. We're going to start seeing maybe tech become a little weak. But again, it's been on such an amazing run that you do need these things to reset. And when they do, that money's going to go somewhere else. And typically that goes to the laggards, like financials, and especially like energy too. Energy was the worst sector this year. And now when everything else is up, what do big money has to buy? They have to buy what's down the most and, rebalance their portfolios.